Bangkok, here we go. Finally made it back to Thailand after spending 7 days exploring South Asia that includes Pakistan and Sri Lanka. We are the Blasian Travelers and we've been to over 40 countries. This is the start of our 3-month journey around Southeast Asia to see if we can finish the challenge of finishing Southeast Asia. And today we're at country 1, hitting some temples. So it is day 5 and we are here visiting the ancient town of Ayutthaya here in Thailand. So it's about an hour from the city. It is so hot. I don't know if you can see, but I'm sweating. I got sweat marks coming on. They made me buy extra pants. So I got shorts under these pants. It is insane. But I think because my shorts are under the knee, which you can go into temples, but because I think this is the royal palace, they make you be extra more sophisticated. So you can only wear shorts here. Capris probably don't fly as well, but it is beautiful here. The gardens and all the plants are really well upkept. You have European combined with Asian and Chinese influences. Like the lake is super peaceful. There was a lot of people here, but it was still pretty quiet, and I think everyone respected what this place was. Temples like this, I can see people coming out to pay respects that lived here. Funny enough was the military is right outside and not too far from here, so they were conducting some drills. Oh yeah, prices 100 baht for foreigners and Cat paid 30 baht for being Thai. Entrance fees was not included in this tour, and so we paid 39.80 for both of us, and then we have to pay for our own lunch and entrance fees. I believe it's the ancient capital. It is a World UNESCO Heritage Site with different temples and royal palaces, which we're in right now. We're in Bangkok in Royal Palace, which was created centuries ago, but then revamped with King Rama V. Right now they're on Rama X. Yes. So it's been here for a while, and it's really cool. We've been able to go around, take some photos, but it is insanely hot right now.
100 degrees outside.
How are you feeling about that?
Hot. Extreme. Like, there's barely any wind, so every time we get
the sun is just beaming. It's funny, earlier we were leaving our condo, and one of the guards was like, I guess they didn't think cats spoke Thai, so they were talking to each other.
They were talking smack. They brought their kid out here and it's hot outside.
In the sun. That's not what you said. You said in the sun.
Yeah.
So now we're feeling that. She was asleep when we first got here. She's up now, as you can tell. But we're enjoying the AC. I'm trying to dry her off. My shirt is still wet. But we're going to head back to the front door because we need to get back on the bus AC. We leave in 20 minutes to explore the next one.
You can choose for the pad thai, you know, the fried noodle. But actually, if you order to tom yum, do you know tom yum? Yes, tom yum.
Which we ordered neither at the lunch break. How's the cow soy?
It's hitting every spot. She's liking it too.
It's pretty good. This is the first time I had a spicy, like I put spices in it. It's actually really good with the spice. No sugar though, just spice. She's liking it, even though mama's sucking off the, well, what is that? Chicken. And I got beef. Good little meal before heading to the next spot.
That is a Thai song, okay?
So we did get a show on the bus, but it was just preparing us for this beautiful temple that we went to next. Wat Yai Chai Bangkok. We got lucky because it was right at the unveiling during whatever ceremony this is, so we got to see them unveil the clothing from the Buddha. Same thing here. Because Thailand is touristy, there was people here, but everyone is still stuck in Bangkok. Do not stay in Bangkok because you're going to miss amazing places like this.
Elephant. One elephant.
He talks a little bit about the elephants and lets us know that if you buy coconuts, they end up feeding the meat afterwards to them.
Just arrived here at Wat Maha That. It kind of reminds me of Angkor Wat, which is in Siem Reap, and we've been there a year and a half ago. So it's pretty cool to be here and have like a full circle moment connecting kingdoms across countries. It's both beautiful and peaceful.
Unfortunately, with us doing a tour, we didn't get to spend too much time here, but it is a pretty massive place. You probably need about 2 hours to look at all the temples. Then we saw this line forming. It was trying to figure out what it was. It was like a 10-minute wait to take photos here. Remember in Vientiane they had Angkor Wat.
Kini's giving us a tour. Okay, I
think I might do this when I retire. I'm a tour guide.
He totally should.
Honestly, the palace was beautiful, but I would have much rather stayed most of the time here.
Fresh from the source itself.
First one since being in Thailand.
For how much?
on the hottest day.
$1. This tastes so good. It's like cold and refreshing. You want to try?
First time having coconut water.
Long bun.
You got to do the opposite.
Hmm?
She's not gonna suck it up. Not only are there drink vendors if you get hot outside easily, there's also umbrellas inside the place. After that, it was time for the last stop in our tour. A lot of people stop to buy food here to get AC, but honestly, I just had fresh coffee from one of those other vendors on the street. So we decided not to go into the temple and pay the 50 baht. It's not that much money, but it's not that big of a temple. This is a World UNESCO Heritage Site because of the heritage and because of the history, but honestly, look at this view I found, which is completely free. There is no one over here, and if you wanted to take photos, you can easily do like a portrait mode photo standing right here, and it's really good quality. I took some amazing drone shots, and as you can see, it turned out perfect. Everyone's gathered around the front, and it's completely free. No one's blocking the view, no one's getting in your view, no photo bombs. Or if you know someone that can Photoshop, you can use AI, you can use Canva or Lightroom and easily take the barbed wire out. But he wasn't lying, and it was an open view. Pretty quick recap, but now we're heading to Bangkok to finish our 5 days. So if you want to watch that video, go click right here. And don't forget to book the tour with the link below.